PLA On Point. In this video, I show how to work with different add-on versions in PLA 3.0. In PLA, I may need to use different add-on versions. For example, if one project requires the biological assay package version 27, while another project still relies on version 24 for compatibility reasons. For strictly regulated environments, I recommend having separate databases for each add-on version at hand. This allows me to simply log into the database I want to work with. For testing environments or smaller contract labs, it may be more efficient to use one database. Then switch between add-on versions and the PLA 3.0 add-on management. This approach requires permissions to the add-on management. To view all versions of an add-on, I click the filter button and remove the latest add-ons check mark. Now I can activate an older add-on version, like the biological assay package version 24. In order to use this version, I also make sure to deactivate any newer version. With an older add-on version activated, I am unable to open documents based on newer versions. They become ready to use once I reactivate the newer version. If a newer version is activated, all documents based on older versions can still be open for investigation. Modifications are not possible, however. To modify and recalculate such documents, I must upgrade their structure. Be aware that this action cannot be reverted. That's how to work with different add-on versions in PLA 3.0.